Some tennis now. Defending champions Woolmer's boys will meet Hillel Academy in the boys under-19 final at the Burita All-Ireland High School Tennis Championship tomorrow morning at the Eric Bell Centre. In Friday's semi-final, Woolmer's, who are seeking their 5th consecutive title, they outplayed Ardennes 4-1. Woolmer's won 3 out of the 5 singles matches, but clinched the tie by taking the first doubles match. Hillel, who lost the first singles match, went on to beat Jamaica College 4-1. Both captains, Marion Campbell of Woolmer's and Blake Shakir of Hillel, are confident their respective teams can win the boys under-19 title.
Hillel is actually a very tough school to play, and I must say, for us to win it, we will have to play very smart, and hopefully our hard work will pay off.
Because I feel like all of our players are close in like their level of play. So, you never know. We could get a pull away in the singles and hopefully close it in the doubles, but it could go down to the last match.
Over in the girls section, Hillel Academy and Immaculate will be contesting the final after contrasting results in the round-robin format. Hillel edged Ardennes 3-2, while Immaculate stopped Ardennes 4-1. David Smith, coach of Hillel, is confident of making a clean sweep of the under-19 titles, but Tony Plummer, who is the coach of Immaculate, is a bit more reserved.
Singles, like 3 of them, and the doubles get 2 of the doubles, and that will take us through.
Well, what we just have to do is just do what we've been doing all through the tournament. Staying in there, stay with the points, be patient, and work the court.
Now, newcomers Northgate of St. Anne dethroned Woolmer's 3-1 to reach a boys under-16 final, where they'll meet Campion College, who stopped Hillel Academy 3-0. Meanwhile, another rural school, Montego Bay High, upset AISK 3-2 and will now meet Hillel in the girls under-19 final.